This is the Woodford 34HD brass vacuum breaker for the Woodford model S4H. We'll go ahead and get it out of the box here. It'll come with the vacuum breaker itself. And then it'll also come with this little sheet here, which has a little instructions page on the back. And we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of each piece that'll come with it. We'll start with the vacuum breaker itself. You get a total height of right about 1 3/4 inches with an outside diameter of right about 1 1/4 inches. And then this end, outside diameter right at about 1 inch. And this screw here, let me sit still, measuring right at about 1/2 inch. And this piece here, measuring right about 1.5 inches. And once again, this is the Woodford 34HD vacuum breaker.